Welcome one and all to a Train Love 16 video!
Hello everyone. So with me now getting back into model railways, double-O gauge railways, mainly thanks to Stan, I decided today to go out to my local heritage railway and buy the first double-O gauge engine, first new double-O gauge engine I've bought in years. So this one is a Great Western Railway class 2301 Dean Goods in BR Black by Oxford Rail. I'm pretty sure this is the very same model that Stan is using for his character Cogsworth in Musfordshire Colliery. So he should be pleased that I got this. So, I cannot wait to get this open and running on my layouts. So, let's get it out of its box and I'll show it off. Come on out. There we go. It looks beautiful already. And what's this? We got a little pamphlet here. Gives a bit of history of the, well no, not history, it's operation and maintenance instructions. We got a bit of history. Oh, there is a history blip on the Dean Goods engines. Nice. Instruction. Yeah, you got to lubricate the engine yourself as well. Fit your own brake rod couplings. Yeah, alright then. Well, let's get the engine out of its box and I'll show it off. Well, it's plastic packaging, that is. We already got it out of the card box, but now we need to get it out of its protective plastic packaging. This is always awkward. Oh, here we are. You get it out from the back. And then it should just slide on out. Oh, it does slide out. So what you gotta do is push like that. Make sure I don't get any paper cuts. Or plastic cuts in this case. Ugh. Okay. Oh my god. This engine is amazing. Thought it would just be a separate engine and tender unit, but it looks like the engine and tender are permanently coupled together. I wasn't expecting that. But, I am now beginning to see why this is such a sought-after and coveted model of many model railway enthusiasts. This is one of the best models I've ever owned. Oh my god, that cab detail. That is They've really put effort into the cab detail, something which most Hornby models don't bother with. I love that huge reversing lever there. They've got little handbrake levers on the tender, you've got to be careful not to break those off. The whistles there. There's the smoke box and the hand railings. There's tiny little rivets along there. Little brake pipe at the back. You've got to fit the front coupling on yourself, but I don't mind. This little parts pack here. Looks like the rear coupling's already on, but the front coupling you need to put on it yourself. Okay, it seems like these just slot in here. These just... I'm not going to bother fitting... I'm not going to bother fitting these, actually. It could cause problems, and it could break these if I don't fit them correctly, and they could get caught in the wheels and such. So I'm not going to bother, actually. Oh, there's all these very tiny pieces like chains and things here. I don't want to risk anything happening to the engine if I try to put these little things on, and I don't want to damage the pieces themselves, so I'll put all of these, except for the front coupling, back into the bag. I do, however, know how to fit the front coupling. I've done it many times before. So it just slots into there, into this port here, like that. But yes, coal looks great. The little water tank at the back looks great. This is an amazing engine. So well detailed. Seems it gets power from both the wheels and the tender. It's like little wires running in here. Didn't realise that this was permanently coupled. With most Hornby wagons, you have to couple the tender yourself, but this is slightly more convenient having the tender permanently coupled to the engine. This is amazing. Such a beautifully made and carefully made and detailed model. It's even got spring-loaded buffers. Look. Oh, they've even put the nameplate on the back. And there's a little hook at the front, as you see there, and at the back. Oh, I love this model already. £113 well spent so far. Yes, as I said, I can already see why this is such a coveted and sought-after model in the railway modelling community. So, let's put it on the track and give it a run. Okay, so I've already got a freight train on the track. It's about 17 wagons. 17 wagons plus the brake van, so 18 in total. Let's see how well this baby runs. So, very easily put it on the track and couple it up. Brilliant. And now, Let's give it some power and see it go. Oh, wrong way. Let's go. Ah. Yeah, the track needs a bit of cleaning. Oh. It's slipping. I wasn't expecting that. Thought it could easily handle a train of this length, but oh well. Let me try and sort this out. Okay, I've taken off 4 of the wagons. Mostly the tanker wagons. I've left 2 of them on, but it should now work, so let's give it power. It's still struggling, but I think I need to take 1 more off. Well, it isn't able to handle as many wagons as I thought, but it looks great running like this. Wheels are still pounding the rails though. Looks fabulous though. Hang on, I'm going to slow it down a bit so I can show you it running better. Yeah, its wheels are maybe pounding the rails, but looks great running like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, it seems to only be able to handle 12 wagons plus a brake van. I thought it would be able to handle 17 wagons. Despite its size, it should be able to, given it's designed as a goods engine. However, I'm surprised it can't handle any more than this without slipping, but its looks certainly more than make up for its haulage capacity. And the engine, yes, it looks fabulous. I did also have an LMS brake van at the back. However, as this is a Great Western engine, I thought it would be more appropriate to attach a GWR towed brake van to the back in the place of the LMS one. So yeah, that's what I've done. So yeah, it looks great when running. I just feel it could do with higher gearing and greater haulage capacity. Its wheels are still slipping even with this 12 wagon train. But it does seem to be able to handle it. What a beauty. Absolutely awesome. And you may have also noticed that a lot of these are like coal wagons. Most of these are coal wagons or Great Western wagons from around Wales, further tying into the GWR theme of this engine. Okay, so I think I'll stop it at the station and give my final thoughts. So, overall, an amazing model in terms of looks. An amazing model in terms of looks and detailing and quality of how it's made. However, its haulage capacity does leave something to be desired. I would have liked this to have been able to pull the full 17 wagon train I had. But 12 wagons is, I suppose, is good enough for an engine this size. This engine was meant to be a stopgap between getting a new goods engine and me getting a 9F. Stan getting me a 9F as a birthday present. I'm still satisfied with this purchase regardless. However, as I said earlier, its haulage capacity does leave something to be desired. However, the quality of the overall model and how well it's detailed and made does make up for those points. Does make up for its slightly disappointing haulage capacity. So, for its final score, I'm going to give this model a 9 out of 10. It was a great purchase. I would have preferred if the Spa Valley Railway had the Great Western Railway green version of this model in stock rather than the black one, but I think this engine still looks good in BR black. And plus, I just like the Dean Goods engines in general. So yeah. Overall, a good purchase once again, but I would have preferred it if it could do with a longer train. So yeah, 9 out of 10, and if anyone from Oxford Rail is watching this, if you plan on re-releasing this model someday, I would like to see it have higher gearing and more powerful motors to give it a greater haulage capacity. But that's it from me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all agree that this is as incredible of a model as most enthusiasts claim it to be, myself included. Please like, comment, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to me, TrainLover16, if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.